I may want to take vacation. It may not be enough. I may want to upgrade my car. It may not be enough. I may want to treat myself to something. It won't be enough. I may want to purchase a home. It may not be enough. So you get the gist. I'm not afraid to say I have a big problem when it comes down to money and cash flow. And I'm going to tell you why. So let's talk about it. The main reason why I feel like I have problem maintaining consistent cash flow is simply because my 9-to-5 job is in control of the hours. So there's a parameter I have to work between it. Likewise, I have children, so I cannot be working, punching the clock overtime. I believe in investing in my children because time is something I can't get back. Second thing, I'm within a parameter of my salary as well. So the potential of me making money more is not there. What I'm saying is this is the main reason why I test my limit. This is the main reason why I am a risk taker. This is the main reason why I have to go out there and create passive income, because eventually I honestly feel like having as much passive income will override earned income over time. So yes, I'm not afraid to tell you that I have a big problem with money because my 9-to-5 is in control of how much money I can make. Unlike if I was going out there and to thrive on my own, then there's no limit. But the thing is, when you have no inheritance, no handouts, it's even more challenging. Will I quit my job? Of course not. But I have to be smart. So yes, even though I am working, I have the mindset that I'm gonna still create. I'm still gonna test my limit. And I'm gonna go out there and try because I know one day I will become successful. Now, you're probably watching this video, you're probably saying, well, maybe you need to get a better career, or maybe you need to apply for another job. I get it. But in any other job, yes, we're still programmed between that parameter. You don't have to agree with me, which is fine. But for right now, because I have my children, I have to maintain a lifestyle for them in terms of seeing them, taking care of them. I don't feel like I should have kids and have them raising themselves on their own. So it's a choice. Yes, I get it. But the gift that God gave me, He also wants me to use those skill set and monetize it. So yes, here am I on the internet creating videos because right now I do not have the cash flow to invest in physical. And if you haven't watched that video, I suggest for you to watch the video that says I am going to be successful. I've tried many businesses over the years. I thought I would have it. Even though I have tried those businesses, it did not work out to my expectation. One, I don't have anyone that is backing me up. I don't have a team player. I don't have anybody to help me. So I'm always have to be thriving on my own. And as a result of that, it just doesn't work. And each time that I'm investing in something, it has to be my 9-to-5 job. So it's kind of like, yes, trying to pay the bill, but saving a small portion and save up to invest in something that I believe that is going to work for me over time. I think the last business that I invest in hard, I put a lot of money out there and it did not go well for me. That right there was a stigma. That right there stressed me. That right there cost me a lot. I was so depressed about it. But will that stop me? No, because I'm still gonna go out there and try. Now you are meeting me on YouTube. This is the platform I'm planning to invest in all my time with all my heart. I'm gonna go full force in this. I won't give up. So yes, you're probably gonna be tired of me, but just support a sister. All I require for you to do is just to keep watching. I don't know, one day you may get something from this. I may not be successful now, but I will be successful then. My heart, though, is really about helping others. If I can do it, anyone else can. So if you're watching this, instead of consuming this information, take it. Add something to it by going out there and reproduce in terms of creating something for yourself. Create a video. You do not have to pour your business out here. I'm not telling you to, I am not informing you to do that. However, if you do have a skill set, something that you believe others would benefit from, I suggest just put it out here, pour it out. Right now, I have no money to invest in physical things, but I do have all the time in the world now to invest online. Now, here's the thing, it may be challenging for you to create videos because you're probably working a 9-to-5 job. Do what I do. I have a video right here that talks about how to record on your job, you know, the spare time that you have, how to maximize it, how to do it. Because if I can, you can do it too. I'm not making any excuses, really. I have 4 kids and they all consume my time. But yet still, I'm out here and I'm producing because I believe I'm gonna make it here. I talked about how YouTube will be paying my rent very soon. And although, you know, I just got monetized for the last, 5 months, my first paycheck was not a lot. It was just $122, which it's okay. But at least I see something. The only thing I have to do is to continue showing up consistent and thrive. That's it. But I want to encourage you. Yes, I have a problem with money because due to the parameter and how I've been controlled and locked in by a job. And yes, I am extremely grateful because it's helping to pay the bill. But that's all I can do at this point. I may want to take vacation. It may not be enough. I may want to upgrade my car. It may not be enough. I may want to treat myself to something. It won't be enough. I may want to purchase a home. It may not be enough. So you get the gist. I'm going to keep showing up with my full potential. YouTube will be doing it. Just watch me win. The point of me creating this video is to encourage you, is to inspire you that even though I may not have a lot of subscribers, I may not have a lot of views, but this is a passive way of making money over time that I know will pay off in the end. I am 40 years old. I'm not gonna wait until I reach 60 to start doing something. I'm not. If we check this economy right now, Social Security, pension, 401k, it's not really much. So why should I sit around and not trying to create something beyond that I know that it's a possibility I can retire from it? So while I am working actively, I'm working passively. I'm not wasting no time. There is no rest in this. I won't rest until there's success. Okay? Not Camille. So the reason why I'm creating this video, because I want to encourage you. Yes, I may have a money problem because I just never make enough to do as much as I want. My 9-to-5 is in control of me. But at some point in my life, I want to stop that. I want to create my own. The Bible said you shall eat the fruits of your labor, and I intend to do that. Nothing feels good when you're creating your own and you can eat from it and you can say, you know what, I have done this and I can eat from it and I can profit from it. That's where I'm at. I've tried a lot of things throughout my life, and here am I 40 years old. My life is still not where I would like it to be, but I won't be giving up. I promise you. Let me know your thoughts on this video. I'll talk to you later. See you around.